Hello guys, this is Nitin Power. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn about how you can create your Azure Data Factory resource. First of all, you have to log into your Azure portal using your credentials. Once you log in, then you can see your dashboard. Here you can see your different services available. If that particular service available over here, you can click over there, or else you can search it over here. So let's search Data Factory. You can see that services. I see the Data Factory, clicked on it. Now here I don't have any resource created for Data Factory. So here I will say create Data Factory. Click on that. So it will ask you for your subscription. So you have to provide one subscription. Then under that, what is your resource group? If you have created a resource group, then you can provide that particular resource group. So here my resource group is this. Then under that, you have to provide the name. So I'll say ADF test. Okay, you can provide the region and the version. Here I'll provide the region as India, Central India. Okay, version v2. Then you can go to the git configuration. If you have, you can provide that, or either here you can see that configure later. I'll say networking. Here you can have the options how you want to connect via public endpoint or private endpoint. If you select private endpoint, you have to provide those details. But just for this video, I'll show you how you can connect your public endpoint. Click advanced. Do you want to enable the encryption using the customer managed key? Then you have to provide those managed key if you clicked on over here. Else, you can go to the tag. You can provide particular tags. Right now, I don't want to create those. Then click on review and create. So validation is passed. Here now I can click on create. Now you can see that my deployment is in progress. So once that resource is created, I'll get the pop-up that resource is created successfully. It will take couple of minutes. Oh, so your deployment is complete. So you can go from here also, or you can go to your home and that you can see that resource. So I'll go to the resource. So this is my ADF test and data factory. This is Azure Data Factory resource is created, and here you can see that in the overview, our location, what we have provided, the resource group. Once you check the basic details, then you can click on the Launch Studio. So it will launch your Azure Data Factory. Now this is by default how you can see your Azure Data Factory once you created the resource. Here, from here also you can create it directly, or here in the author, you'll go, you see the pipelines where you can create a pipeline using this new pipeline. Change data capture is there. We have the data set, data flow. Nothing is there. We need to create all the resources. And I'll show you how you can create one by one. But this is your default overview where you have the home. In the author, you can create your pipelines, data set. On monitor, once you run those pipelines over here, you can check the process of that progress on that pipeline, trigger runs, and in the manage you'll have your link services, integration runtimes, all other configurations over here. What is the link services? In my next video, I'll cover the link services. What are the link services and how you can use them over there. And this is your learning center where you want to learn how the tutorials are there, what are the different things available over there. Then you can go to this particular tabs. So this is where you can create your Azure Data Factory resource in your Azure portal. Do let me know if you have any questions on this. Thank you so much.